Afternoon, TradingView community. Thanks very much for stopping by and listening to and watching our market update on USOUSD, which is WTI crude oil. So we're still looking at this uptrend here. We have had this short-term retracement here, and we did see a failed high earlier in the week, which led to another day of declines. But what really piqued our interest this morning is yesterday's bar. Now, we did see a really good shot by sellers to move the market lower, and that was rejected down at the 112, the high 112 area, and it lines up with this area here. We've seen plenty of indecision here, so we are looking to see if there is, it really does show that there's plenty of demand from that 112.78 area. So we saw that fast pullback here and a higher close yesterday, and we are really wondering now if that could be the start of a new push by buyers to possibly test previous high from earlier in the week at 119, and then maybe even get back into the 120, 121 area. And if buy momentum could carry forward, obviously the end game would be a new retest at 120, the high 123s, and we'd need to just see first if we can get a close above this high here today. That should signify that there's a possibility that buyers are going to try and continue to march this trend higher. Now, if we do see a close below 1487, just below this low here, that's a small worry. And then if we did see obviously a new move back down to 113 or below, that would obviously show us that this retracement here is still got a bit of more movement to go, and we'll have to keep evaluating the situation just to see what was happening. But yeah, as pointed out, this is the bar that has the interest of us. There's lots of rejection there, but now it's really up to buyers if they can carry forward that momentum we saw yesterday and clear this high with a close, and then possibly look at testing back higher up into these areas here to show that they are still in control. So two real schools of thought. If we can close above here, we'll look for this trend to continue, possibly a move back up to test this high. If we do see a fail and a close here, we possibly will be staying, we won't be getting the market on the long side. We'll be looking to see what happens on the short term if we do see a new move back down to test this support, any breakthrough that support. And yeah, we're definitely thinking that this retracement here has a little bit further to go. So that's it. We thank you once again for coming on and watching and listening to our reports, and we wish the community a very lovely weekend, and until next week, bye for now.